They fired the single dad who rebuilt a $1 million helicopter. Then the truth shocked everyone. The helicopter had crashed after a catastrophic engine failure that every senior engineer declared impossible to repair. Millions of dollars had already been written off, and the company's biggest military contract was hanging by a thread. Yet, after 72 sleepless hours inside the silent hangar, one exhausted single father brought the aircraft back to life with his own hands. Instead of applause, security guards escorted him out of the building with a termination notice that read, "No contract, no payment." The men who watched him leave believed they had erased a forgotten mechanic. Armin hesitated. They had no idea they had just destroyed the only person who truly understood the machine that would soon determine the company's future. Before we continue this emotional journey, please take a moment to like this video, leave a comment, share it with someone who believes in kindness and second chances, and subscribe to Secret CEO Story. Your support helps us bring more inspiring stories that remind the world compassion still matters. Ethan Brooks had never dreamed of becoming rich. Ever since losing his wife to a sudden illness 5 years earlier, his entire world revolved around his 9-year-old daughter, Lily. Every morning he prepared breakfast, braided her hair, despite never learning properly, walked her to school, and then spent long days inside Falcon Aerospace as a contract helicopter restoration specialist. Although many executives barely knew his name, mechanics respected him because he possessed an extraordinary gift. He could hear the smallest vibration in an engine and immediately recognize what others failed to notice. Machines spoke a language that only Ethan seemed able to understand. When Falcon Aerospace received a badly damaged rescue helicopter worth over $1 million, every certified engineer concluded it could never fly safely again. Replacing the aircraft would cost the company its largest contract, but rebuilding it appeared impossible. One by one, highly paid specialists admitted defeat. Finally, someone reluctantly suggested giving Ethan a chance. The executives laughed at first because he was only a temporary contractor without expensive degrees hanging on office walls. But since remaining, they handed him the impossible assignment while secretly expecting him to fail. For 3 exhausting days, Ethan barely left the hangar. His hands became stained with grease, his eyes turned red from lack of sleep, and his phone remained filled with messages from Lily asking when he would come home. Every damaged gear, cracked turbine blade, and hidden wiring problem became another puzzle he patiently solved. Drawing from years of practical experience, rather than expensive textbooks, he rebuilt sections everyone else wanted to replace. Late on the 3rd night, the helicopter's engine finally roared back to life. Every mechanic stopped working and watched in amazement as the aircraft lifted smoothly from the ground during its successful test flight. It was nothing short of a miracle. The celebration lasted less than an hour. The company's financial director claimed Ethan had worked outside the exact terms of his temporary contract. Rather than rewarding him, executives argued they could avoid paying his restoration bonus if they immediately terminated his employment. Security officers handed him a termination letter before he even removed his work gloves. Ethan quietly packed his worn toolbox, thanked the mechanics who had supported him, and walked away without causing a scene. He carried only his lunchbox, his toolbox, and the heartbreaking knowledge that Lily's school tuition was due in just a few days. Back at home, Ethan hid his pain behind tired smiles. Lily noticed the sadness in her father's eyes, but simply hugged him tighter than usual. She believed that good people eventually found their reward, even when life seemed unfair. Those simple words became the only thing keeping Ethan hopeful as he searched desperately for another job. 3 days later, disaster struck Falcon Aerospace. During a demonstration for government inspectors, the same helicopter suddenly displayed an alarming warning signal. None of the engineers understood why the emergency systems refused to respond. Panic spread through the entire facility because grounding the aircraft would instantly cancel the multi-million-dollar contract. Every expert searched through technical manuals without success. Finally, one elderly mechanic admitted the uncomfortable truth. Ethan had quietly redesigned part of the restoration process using a safer custom solution that only he fully understood. Without him, nobody could guarantee the helicopter would ever fly safely again. The board of directors rushed to Ethan's modest home expecting anger and revenge. Instead, they found him repairing bicycles for neighborhood children while Lily proudly helped organize his tools. They realized the man they had treated as disposable possessed more integrity than everyone inside the executive offices combined. Ethan agreed to return, not because of money or titles, but because innocent rescue crews would someday trust their lives to the helicopter he had rebuilt. His only condition was that every future technician would receive fair pay, written contracts, and the respect they deserved, regardless of their position. The helicopters successfully completed every inspection and saved the company's reputation. News of Ethan's honesty spread throughout the aviation industry, and companies began competing to hire him. Falcon Aerospace publicly apologized, promoted him to chief restoration engineer, and created a scholarship in Lily's mother's memory for children pursuing engineering dreams. The same executives who once ignored him now stood proudly behind the man whose quiet brilliance had saved everything. If this story touched your heart, please write in the comments, "Kindness always returns." As this story comes to an end, remember that true greatness is rarely measured by job titles or expensive offices. It lives inside ordinary people who continue doing the right thing, even after the world treats them unfairly. And if Ethan's journey inspired you, please like this video, leave your thoughts in the comments, share it with family and friends, and subscribe to Secret CEO Story. Your support helps these meaningful stories reach